Hey guys, Drew Williams coming to you live from Bell Camper Sales. A little different setting today. We're not out in the trailer. You're not getting a new demo of some new inventory we gotten in. Today I'm inside our new beautiful facility here off of Highway 75 in Bartlesville, Oklahoma. And I'm always talking about what we're selling and obviously how much it is that we're selling. But today I want to talk to you about why. Why choose Bell Camper Sales? And the answer to that is simple. Service. The service after the sale that you're going to get. Here at Bell Camper Sales, we've been in business for over 50 years. Small family owned. We went from downtown Bartlesville right up to Highway 75 commercial front real estate property. Beautiful location, and we're set up to take care of our customers after the sale. Why do we believe in that? We live off a repeat business, and the only way we can continue to grow and improve is to make sure that you're taken care of after the sale. So today I'm going to show you a short video of how we here at Bell Camper Sales can do that and why we're better than everyone else. As I walk down the hallway here upstairs where both the owners' offices are, I can sit here and tell you how we have an open door policy, which we do. But the biggest reason why our service is so great here is time. The time is money, and we can get your unit back to you faster than ever. How can we get you done in a timely manner? Look no further than behind me right here. We have a 6 pull-through RV center here. You can fit 12 units at any given time, no matter what the conditions are outside, inside. We can work on 12. Sometimes we can get small ones in between and get up to 15 in here on a day where the weather's real bad. We're still going to be able to work on a lot of units. On any given normal day, there's also power and water on 6 on each other side too, so up to 24 units we can work on at one time. Why is that important to you? Simple. If we got 24 units we can work on going back and forth between getting parts, we can get them in and out real quickly. So another reason why the service after the sale is so important is this RV center is built to get the unit back to you as soon as possible and get you back on the road camping where you belong. Here at Bell Camper Sales, this place is set up everywhere to take care of your service needs and make it as easy as possible. Here behind me, this is where you drop off or pick up your service units before and after pickup. There are 8 pass-throughs all the way down, so it's real easy to get in and out. Circle drive to make it big 40-foot trailer or just a little 10-foot trailer as easy as possible. Each end has 50-amp plug-ins or 30-amp plug-ins so that you can get a quality control inspection when you're dropped off. If you have fridge issues and we need to make sure it's working or the air conditioner's working, have the ability to be plugged in and tested for you after you pick up to make sure the work got done properly. So anything we do here is to make it as easy and as possible for you to get in and out so that you can get back to camping. And one of my favorite things about our service after sale that definitely makes us different than anyone else in Oklahoma is right behind me here. It is our 5-star campground that Mr. Bell put into place to help take care of your service needs. Again, only place in Oklahoma that has anything like this. Basically, you purchase your trailer. When you come pick it up, your demo is going to be performed by a certified tech in a campground, which is 90% of the time where you guys are going to be taking it and going. With your water, your sewage, your electric, free Wi-Fi, everything all there at your disposal to use to make sure you feel comfortable before you leave. And you can stay in it for a night or two free to make sure that you know how things work and to make sure that you're getting it the best inspection and the best possible tour that you can get before you actually go out and take it and use it for yourself. Last but not least, the service counter itself here. At any given point, there are 2 to 3 service riders up here fielding phone calls, getting you checked in and checked out so you can get back out on the road camping as soon as possible. Behind me here, you can see some of our service awards from all the manufacturers we've done warranty work on, and certifications run up and down this wall of our RV certified techs that will be working on your units. Service manager office is right over here to the left of me. Door is always open. He always comes out and talk. He's not afraid to field phone calls, talk to any customers, and come out and do any of the work himself, because like I said here, we're all about service after the sale. We don't want a one-time customer, best price unit out the door, never seeing you again. We want a customer for life. You're going to get the same smile and gratitude the first day you bought your trailer to the last day you bring it in for its last service that you do before you get rid of it and upgrade. Here at Bell Camper Sales, again, we preach this is the why. This is the why you want to buy from us, the service after the sale. As me being a service manager here for 5 years, I can tell you that they go above and beyond to try to make sure your needs are taken care of so that you can come back, you can get on the road, and you can get out camping as soon as possible. Come to Bell Camper Sales. We'll get you camping.